You've seen our products and you're interested, but you get to our website and we don't have an application listed for your vehicle. What options do you have? This video will explain what our builder kits are and help you decide if it's a good option. Hi, I'm Adam here at SumoSprings International, and I'm going to explain why our SumoSprings Builder Kits may be an option for you as you look to improve the journey and help you pick the right one for your vehicle. First, a couple of notes on our builder kits. These are a way to add SumoSprings where we don't have an application listed for your particular vehicle or where you're working on a custom build. These kits include only the spring and, depending on which one you select, 1 or 2 spacers. They don't include any detailed installation instructions, bracketry, or hardware. Depending on the difficulty of your build, you might want to work with someone to create brackets or mounting options, and we recommend using grade 8 hardware. The second thing to note is that the builder kit is not a solution for everyone. There are going to be vehicles where SumoSprings just aren't the right fit. We're always adding applications and options for as many as possible, so if the builder kit doesn't work for your setup, keep an eye out in our application listings for your vehicle or give us a call to talk about your project. Okay, so let's look at the builder kits and what options there are for your unique application. Currently, the SumoSprings in the builder kits are 5 inches tall and have a 4-inch diameter. Each one comes with a steel mounting plate and the option to include a single 1-inch spacer or 2 of the 1-inch spacers to stack. When installed, we recommend that SumoSprings would have a 1/2 to 1 inch of space at ride height. If you're not sure of your dimensions just yet, I suggest you get the kit with 2 spacers. Like all of our SumoSprings products, these are made from a micro-cellular polyurethane and they will never require maintenance and they come with a lifetime warranty. These are not rubber, which means they perform differently. Each application and mounting may be different, but these are a progressive spring designed to increase load leveling support, reduce vibration, body roll, and soften harsh rebounds. You can get each of these kits in blue, black, or yellow. Those colors signify the difference in the density of the spring. The blue is our lightest density, the black our medium density, and the yellow is our heaviest density. For a closer look at the densities of our SumoSprings and which one is right for you, check out the video in this series on the meaning of the colors, which is linked below. I hope this video helps you better understand what builder kits are and how they can be used in a variety of custom applications to make the journey better. Be on the lookout for more videos in this learning series as we answer more of your questions. As always, you can call us, chat on the website, or reach out on social media with any questions.